In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and enable plugins in Obsidian. If you're new to plugins, think of them as add-ons that expand what Obsidian can do, from task management to advanced note formatting and automation. We'll keep things straightforward and make sure you understand what each step is doing so you can install with confidence. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Make sure you're in the vault where you want the plugin to live, since plugins are enabled per vault. Once Obsidian is open, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click Settings. This opens a panel where you manage everything about your workspace, including appearance, core features, and of course, plugins. Inside Settings, find and click Community Plugins. This section is where all third-party plugins live. Community plugins are created by developers in the Obsidian community and can dramatically extend your workflow. Because they're third-party, it's always a good idea to be selective and choose options that have good adoption and recent updates. Next, click Browse. This opens the plugin directory right inside Obsidian. You can scroll through popular options or use the search bar to look up something specific. As you explore, take a moment to open a plugins page and read the description, check the number of downloads, skim recent update notes, and glance at any compatibility information. These details help you gauge reliability and whether it fits your needs. Once you find the plugins you want, it's decision time. Choose one that aligns with a clear goal. Maybe you want better to-do lists, quick note templates, or improved linking features. Selecting with a purpose helps keep your setup clean and avoids conflicts between similar tools. When you're ready, click Install on the plugins page, and after the installation completes, click Enable. Install adds the plugin to your vault. Enabling turns it on so its features are available immediately. Most plugins work right away, and Obsidian typically doesn't require a restart. If a plugin offers options, you'll usually see a settings link on its page where you can fine-tune behavior later on. A quick tip: enable one new plugin at a time and test it in a note so you can confirm everything works as expected. If something doesn't feel right, you can come back to the community plugins area and disable or uninstall it just as easily. And that's it. Open Obsidian, go to Settings, head to Community Plugins, browse, choose thoughtfully, then install and enable. With that flow, you'll be ready to customize Obsidian to fit the way you think and work. Happy building and enjoy your new powered up workspace.